What's up, guys? Ibby is back on the cam with another mukbang. Yo. And we got some seafood. Like Judah just now was like, oh, I got a beautiful Judah with me. You guys know who Judah is already.
Hey guys.
But she was in there like, yo, babe, hurry up because the seafood is banging. Trust me, if you guys could smell.
Amazing.
Trust me, it's an amazing smell. So first.
Which one? Look now. I just want to make sure.
What? Anyway, so this here, the first thing that we got, guys, we got some plantains. A little bit of ripe plantain right there. Yeah. So you guys might know that's a bit sweet. So we got some ripe plantains. That's Judah's side. She ordered that. She loves plantains so much. And then we got some
bammies. Some fried bammies.
Some bam. Uh-oh.
That's yours right there, babe.
No.
That's yours right there.
We got some bammies. These are pretty much cassava soaked in
milk.
Soaked in coconut milk.
Hopefully.
And fried.
I'm literally hoping it's as good or almost as good as the ones we had at the hooks, because those are amazing. Like I have to ask her, like, can you guys not do it too dry, please? Cause.
Oh, hallelujah. Yo, if you guys see this, oh, check it out, check it out. Yo, it's so wet. These girls are so wet. So wet, look at that. Oh, oh, oh.
I'm ready, let's get it in next.
And then we got some lobster. What was this again? Oh.
Garlic lobster.
Garlic lobster.
Yeah.
Garlic lobster. Check it out. Check it out. Oh. Oh, I know you see that. I know you see that, baby.
Banging.
Yo. All right. So enough of that. Enough of. Oh, I got some co-hosts right here. Check it out. Co-hosts. Sorrow. All right. Ooh. All right. Let's get into the food. Enough talking. Let's get into the food. All right. Let's pop this open. She's trying to look for the ones that didn't fall on the table. But anyway, let's start with this. Really crispy.
It's not too dry. Yeah, it's fine.
Alright.
Dip it.
Don't you got your own sauce over there?
Mm-mm. Not curry.
Oh yeah, they're different, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so here I'm gonna show you guys a quick bite. Check it out. Just keep looking at my face. Wow.
How was it?
It was super good. Oh yeah.
Like I feel like I could swallow the shells.
She feels like that's what I'm doing. What you talking about? Which is nice. So they asked us if we wanted it to be like spicy. This is pretty much mildly spicy right now.
The flavor is really good. Like Cee, y'all did it again, huh?
If you guys don't already know, like seafood, that's my thing. I love seafood. Thank you, Jesus, for creating crabs. The flavor is just right. If you guys don't know, these are just sea crabs.
This flavor is really good.
It's super good. Now look at that.
I wish I had a little bit more spicy though.
Look at that. Look at the meat. Oh. See those? Damn. She got some sexy legs. Ooh. Oh. I can tell this crab didn't walk a lot. You know, probably she was walking a lot, be a little bit two-toned.
Yeah.
Her legs are like she been sitting down at home for a long time.
She been chauffeur driven here and there.
Yeah, super tender, man. Girl, you got a banging body.
I'm right here.
Girl, bye. What you talking about? It's pretty dope. Oh yeah. I don't know. I don't think there's a better combination than what you call it? Curry and crab and lobster.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. What I like about crab is not like, it's not something that's super filling. It's like a fun food. If I have to be really honest.
It's finger licking good.
See like curry?
You wanna get in the lobster?
Hell yeah. We should probably have gotten like a fork or oh.
There's right here.
Your forks?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little bit hard for.
Sure.
Thanks, babes. Pick up the lobster. Can you guys see that? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. What a beautiful crustacean.
Woo! I can't with this fork thing.
Yeah, this fork is not gonna be.
I'm digging in with my fingers.
This fork is not gonna. Baby, 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 baby.
I think the one you had tonight was a little bit softer. What do you think?
It brings me right back to my very first time. The one on that night, yeah, maybe a little bit softer than this one.
Like it make with extra love.
I think it's a different type of
Lobster?
probably not lobster, a different sauce.
No, it's same.
Same thing?
Yeah. These veggies are nice though.
Yep. I haven't tasted it, but I could tell. Telepathy. Look at that. You gotta see. Oh, my camera keeps picking up through this face. It's so good.
I wanna save my lobster for last. I'm sorry. You're a bad boy.
Wow. It's so good. The curry sauce. Oh, let's try these vegetables.
No, these right here. Not one. Not the raw ones.
Funny story. When I was a kid, well, most kids, of course, didn't like vegetables, right? And I used to role play. Yeah, I've been role playing from when I was a kid. And I would tell myself that I was a goat. So whenever I got vegetables, I'd be like, let's do it. I kid you, it worked.
Are you serious, Steven?
Seriously, it worked as hell. And I would eat my vegetables up. Nothing left back. I was Billy. That's me. Wow, I'm pleased with this. And then for the crabs, it wasn't so expensive. I think the price was like ooh, it's spicy kicking in. Damn.
Yeah. You want a lobster though?
Like he was playing with me. I was like, take a punch here. Here we go. We're gonna knock out. It was like $1,200 plus tax, which isn't bad. Isn't bad.
Seafood and the serving.
That's like $10 for the whole platter of crabs. It wasn't bad at all. Lobster, of course, is a bit more high maintenance. Wink, wink. So what I'm trying to say, guys, I'm the crab. She's a lobster.
Okay.
Wow.
This bami and the curry is really good.
Listen, stop hogging the bammies. Bring on the plantains. Where the plantains at?
Oh shit.
Bring out the stars of the show. If you're really a Jamaican, you guys will know that plantain makes every single dish
Better.
complete. Better. I'm telling you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I know you wanna. I'm actually surprised.
What?
Because when I looked at them in the box, they looked a little bit dry.
They do look. They're not.
But they're not. Like once you bite into them, like the insides are pretty soft.
Oh yeah. Church I keep. What are you saying?
My camera's pretty much now on like autofocus or something, so it keeps looking at my face. But this food is too good for me to even think about changing that. Wow. Wow. You know what they say? The people season the meat down to the bone. They season this down to the shell. I swear. It's that good. I think I made a really good decision.
Should we tell them about the place we called first?
Nah. You never talk about the side chicks when the main is about. Here is the main. You know when I was a kid, I didn't like crabs. They scared me. Seriously, they did.
Why?
They looked weird.
How was your childhood? Huh?
Pretty scary. I found them very weird. One of my cousins, she kept on saying, oh, Michelle. She always raved about crabs.
Oh, okay.
And I was like, okay. Until one day I had the revelation. Like my aunt brought home like a platter or something, and there were a few crab legs like this. And I was like, let me try.
Michelle?
And like when they say once you go black, you never go back.
You're used to good things here. Thanks. Thank you very much.
It's really good. Like on my last mukbang, well, the first one, got a lot of hate.
I know, I don't watch it.
You haven't watched it, does it? People been like, yo, why?
I was going to watch it while you were gone to pick up the food. But I got caught up in my series.
Oh gosh. It's really good. I kind of wonder where to get these crabs from. You know, because in Jamaica we're typically used to our tough back crab them. And back tough.
You mean the ground crabs?
Mm-hmm. They're like the crabs that were in prison. They're just buff and stuff.
I was about to sing that Ariel song.
And that does
Yes!
Thumbs up if you're a messy eater when you're eating crab. And if you're not a messy eater when you're eating crab, thumbs up. Oh my gosh. Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm-hmm.
Down to the vegetable, them taste good, sir. No, sir.
Trust me. Everything is good. Everything is good. They don't even know. This one's a fatty. One man piece. For that flesh.
I want one. What's for the flesh?
That's slim as man. On the meal can mash it works.
Stab it.
It's super good. So most of you guys have been saying today, because I dropped the KFC video today. You guys were like, yo, put Jude on the vlogs. On the Mukbang. Here she is. It's really good. So the funny thing is, we called this place and we asked them if they had crab backs. And then they went, we don't got backs, but we got crab. I was like, I didn't get it.
How?
How? Oh, crazy question. These are the legs. And the backs were sold. Haha. Get it?
Guys, you see what I mean now? For those who are on the live, y'all see what I mean now?
I'm not that corny.
It's okay, babe.
I just lost my appetite.
No problem.
No. What you doing?
Ooh.
But seriously though, like thinking about it, these are actually just the legs.
You got some whole ones. Like, I got a good amount of whole ones.
It's just the legs, babe. Wow. How much crab do you think this was? Maybe like a pound? A pound and a half or 2 pounds?
Probably a pound and a half tops. I don't think they're each 2 yet. Y'all, my sister's gonna hate me for this one too.
You've never watched a mukbang before, right?
I have with that black girl. She's kind of cool. But I think I wicked to myself to sit down. But I normally eat while I watch them. It works.
It doesn't.
Works for me.
Cause like something like this, it's hard for you to find the flavor, the exact flavor in your fridge.
It's not good enough for cook. I should do this one Sunday. What do you think?
Just do it and do it. But yeah, I don't know. Every time I'm watching like mukbangs, I'm always starving. I'm always starving when I watch a mukbang. Even today when I was watching, when I started watching the one that I did, man, I was instantly hungry. I was like, screw this.
Oh, no, I'm not my lip. I don't watch them that often too, so I have to go through that. So, but I get you. Only if them more sponsor him. Hit up Jelani. Ooh.
It's sure fun. And the sauce is so thick.
The consistency is amazing.
Yep. Too wet for you?
It's just right, baby.
Gobble, gobble.
Slurp, slurp. And this one's still warm.
Wow. Oh, yeah. So you guys, drop some comments. Like, what's your favorite crab place?
And J8 as well, so we could probably check them out. Or seafood place in general.
Yeah, seafood place, sorry. Whenever I'm in the US, I love Red Lobster. Food's always consistent. Oh, for the Jamaicans that are watching, like, what do you guys think about our road crab? Like, what do you guys think about it?
The grown crabs, guys, not road crab. Grown.
What in walk across the road? You like them? Like, are they like your thing, or?
I don't mind them. There are times where I actually crave for crab, and that's the quickest thing to get.
That?
So, yeah, it just like squirted.
It says crab squirt.
Yeah.
That's so rude. I remember once I was in the Coronation Market, and I bought one from the lady. Boy, it was good.
But we had some at my house already, remember? It was spicy though.
The one that cleared her sinus, she was like,
Back.
for the whole time. It was funny. Wow. All right. So here in Jamaica, guys, we don't have the typical kind of lobster that you guys might be used to. Those who are in America now or whatever, or in Korea or whatever country you're watching, we have the spiny lobster. So they don't have those big claws that I like. Well, pretty much halfway through this already. It's a symphony.
Is there more? Well, this one has a little like burnt end.
here comes a corny joke. So that means that they could bun off the ends.
Bye.
I had to.
Bye. Let me pull the door. You want me to get the door?
Alright guys, this is pretty much where we're going to end the video. Because I want to like really focus and concentrate on eating this right now. So, woo, thank you for watching another mukbang. If you guys want more mukbang, just tell us like what you want to see. And we'll definitely do it. Cheers to the weekend.